I'm pretty sure we all had the dream of having a side hustle, having passive income, or becoming an author one day. What if I told you that it is now possible? It doesn't matter if you don't have graphic design experience. It doesn't matter if you have close to no budget, and it takes literally minutes. Hey friends, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kubra. Here I make videos on self-growth, creating your dream life, becoming your best self, all things aesthetics. So if that resonates with you, I would love for you to stick around. If you want to see my visual diary and my personal life, you can also check out my Instagram and Pinterest. Now into the video. Lately I've been considering and researching side hustle options that I can have and also nourish my creativity and actually use my skills, therefore I can have a passive income. For the longest time I knew that I'm a creative person. I'm really happy that I'm discovering new tools, and I am going to be sharing one of them with you that I think you might be interested in, because it's the most simplest and fastest way to come up with your own storybook, sketchbook, planner, journal, whatever you want to call it, and basically become an author. BookVault is basically a software that helps you create your own books, such as sketchbooks, storybooks, planners, journals, notebooks, stuff like that. What I personally liked is that you don't need design or publishing experience. The interface is really simple, more simpler than I've thought. They have templates provided for you. It's like everything built in one platform. Even if you have no idea how things work or you have question marks, the platform is so beginner friendly and it gives you all the tools that you need. So there is a keyword research tab, there's a product research tab. You can go and look for the things that are actually selling on Amazon and what people are searching for. It's not just design something and hope it sells, but there's a strategy side to it too, which I really liked, because I know most of people who are gonna watch this video is gonna have close to zero experience with writing or creating a book and then publishing that book. The process looks so long and complicated, but BookVault made it simple for you. Of course, I'm not gonna sit here and talk about how great the platform is. We're gonna actually take a quick tour and explore BookVault Studio together. Okay, now I'm on BookVault and this is the first screen that I see. So as you can see here, the first one is product research, and this is the one that matters the most in my opinion. Product research and keyword research, because before we get into the job, before we get any work done, we want to know what people are searching and what is going to be the most profitable option. Basically finding the balance between what we want to create and what people are searching for, what people need and what people want to buy. So you can enter any keyword that you want here. Let's say we want to create a planner, so I'm gonna type in planner, and you can also choose categories. Let's go to planner actually, so it's gonna be more relatable. I say search, and then I can see what people actually published on Amazon and get inspiration from them. So I can see that this homework planner does really good, even though price is a little bit high. So you can do your own analysis here, and you can go down and look at the other ones, is just to have a better idea. Therefore, the product that we're gonna sell, that we know that there's gonna be a demand for it, and then it's gonna sell later on. So it is really important to look at the other examples. You can see the author's name. You can go directly to Amazon to go look at the details, all the other stuff and the reviews if you're interested. And you can also add some of these to your favorites, and also some of the keywords if you're into that, you wanna keep track of these. The other one is, of course, as I said, keyword search. So on this screen we can decide which keywords that we're gonna focus on. we said, okay, let's create a planner, but what this planner is gonna be about. We can say a daily planner and see what we have, which keywords are gonna be a better fit, and the search volume if people are searching for it. And if you go down, you can see like voila, daily planner, 2025 planner daily. This is interesting. I mean, from this you can understand that you can do like 2026 planner daily. You can use and focus on these words. All the other analytics, there's an option if you want to add to your favorites. So this is like a shortcut. And yeah, I'm not gonna add to my favorites anything right now. So let's go to the most important thing, in my opinion. We're gonna go to Bookbolt Studio because it's the place where we're gonna create our own book. And now you're gonna see how simple that is. I was like really shocked, to be honest. I never thought that it's gonna be that easy. It is really beginner friendly. Now I click on it, boom, we're in Bookbolt Studio. And the first thing is you need to give your project a name for sure. Let's say we have decided on creating our daily planner. We're gonna do it like a template style. So we can say daily, let's go by daily planner for 2026. It's gonna be a low content, which means there is not gonna be like too many words. It's not gonna be a novel. You also decide your trim size. I would prefer to go with the default, and every size, fonts, and all the other technical details as well, they're all accepted by Amazon KDP. So when you go there and you want to publish your product on Amazon KDP, you're not gonna encounter any problems, which is really important. So you can tell Bookbolt is Amazon friendly because Amazon have their own criteria when it comes to the books and the products you want to publish on their platform. There are like specific criteria. This is going to be the back and this is going to be the front of our book. So I tap here, hide cover template. This is where you see all the pages. You can design it like however you want, and they're like templates provider for you. And you can also use AI here, but let's go by an image generator. Let's just give it a try. Iteration, we can change the style here if we want. Let's say this one. We're just exploring it together, guys. I am gonna add this to the page. Let's say you want to add a text, add a heading, boom, there we go. We have fonts. You can like and add some of these to your favorites. There's a whole lot of different options and features you can play around and use. I can go on and on for hours, but yeah, this was just an overview of it. Let's say we are done creating this. I'm gonna hit save again. Then after that, I say download. Voila. Now you have a zip here. When you unzip it, it's ready. Your book is ready. After that, you can create yourself an Amazon KDP account and then publish it there. When someone decides to buy it, Amazon KDP does the rest. You don't need inventory, you don't need shipping. Amazon does the rest for you. They print and they deal with the shipping. If you want to give Bookbolt a try, you can use the link in my description, and they've been so kind to sponsor this video, so they have a special discount code for you. You can get 20% off with my code Gabriela. This is my gift to you, so take advantage of that. Even if you have a free trial, you will be amazed by how much you can actually explore and then create on the platform. So thank you to Bookbolt for partnering with me on this video, and let's get our creativity going. I love y'all so much. Bye.